How much have you had to drink tonight?
That's an unfair question.
Just after 1:30 a.m., a blue Toyota 4Runner flew past a parked patrol vehicle. When the deputy pulled out to follow, the vehicle was traveling so fast that the officer had to reach speeds over 100 miles per hour just to keep the taillights in view.
10-4, did you light up the vehicle that you want the channel?
No, I'm trying to catch up to it.
10-4.
Dispatch has been updated.
1050 at 3 Camino Del Mar, North Carolina tag, Xtra India Tango 595, XIT 595, blue Toyota.
136.
South Carolina tag.
10-4.
Dispatch has been updated.
Hey, how you doing? You are flying.
I'm sorry.
You're flying. I was doing 105 trying to catch up to you.
That's... Why are we doing that?
Trying to catch up to you. One on fire.
111.
69 code 1 round, single 1.
I've had a really bad
10-4.
day.
Yeah. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much.
I can smell it coming off you right now. Give me your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Listen.
What's making your day so bad right now?
My mom is really sick.
You can keep giving me your license, okay? Who owns the car?
Me? Please, I can't.
Get me your license.
Listen, I can't. Please.
Take your hand out of here. Get me your license, okay? What are you reaching for right there?
Nothing.
Get me your license. Okay?
I'm trying to find me. I really can't.
Get me your
I can't have a
license.
DUI, please.
Get me your license.
Yes, sir.
We will figure this out, okay? I just need your license. I need your license, ma'am.
Yes.
Go ahead. 10-4.
God, this is gonna be so bad. I can't.
Please get me your license.
Yes, sir. I can't.
Get me. No, you can take it out. Give me your license.
I'm gonna lose my job. It's gonna really...
Would you like me to get your license out for you? Where are you coming from right now?
311. She's going to be stepping out shortly.
Oh, it's gonna be so bad. I can't lose my
Ma'am,
job.
we will figure this out. I need your driver's license.
Oh, no. I'm gonna lose my job.
Thank you. Let's get out of the car now.
Let me see that I'm gonna lose my job. I don't want to get out.
Get out of the car. I'm trying to be nice with you, but you're gonna make me be a little, like, mean in a little bit, okay? So you gotta listen to what I'm saying. Please get out of the car. Please get out of the car. If you do not get out of the car, you're going to jail for resisting without violence. Get out of the car. These are going to be simple instructions. Walk to the front of my car.
No, sir.
Walk to the front of my car.
I can't have a bad knee. I can't.
Okay, what's wrong with your knee?
It's...
What is wrong with your knee?
The ACL is what's wrong with my knee.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
That's an unfair question.
No, it's not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ask me. I've had 0. How much have you had to drink?
You're a police officer. That's
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I've had some drinks.
Okay. Due to the speeds you were going, you're driving recklessly.
Speed.
I drove 105 miles an hour to catch up to you. Okay, when you passed me,
Why would you drive?
to catch up to you because you were going at least 91 miles an hour.
I'm going to lose my job.
Okay, this is going to be a very simple question. Do you want to perform field sobriety exercises?
No, sir.
Okay, turn around. You're going to jail.
No, wait, no, please, no, please, no.
You got it. Grab a wrist right here.
I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Boys.
I got the light.
You got a light? Hey, you were. You're not anymore, but you were. You got like 20 layers on. Too long, Fire. Alright. Let go. Walk her back to my car.
We're going back here. Alright.
Face the car over here.
I'm sorry.
Spread your feet. Wider. Wider. Wider.
My knee is messed up.
Wider.
My knee's messed up. My knee's messed up. I can't. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No needles. No knives.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Alright.
Nothing. Anything you take into the jail is going to be an extra felony. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anything you have stuff.
You're touching me.
Yeah, I have to
Yeah,
search
it's called
your-
a search.
You put your hand in my pants. You're touching
I'm
me.
checking your
It's called a
waistband.
search.
Hey, listen. You're going to jail. You lost your freedom tonight. We're making sure you're not bringing anything into jail, okay? This is what happens when you get arrested, okay? I'm not touching you inappropriately. You're going to have a further search
That
of the
was
jail.
very inappropriate.
No, it wasn't. I'm making sure there's nothing in your waistband. You want to get the light right here?
You good?
Rotate. Yeah. Just rotate real quick.
I checked my phone.
So anyone do phone coffee.
Lean up. Lean up.
I'm sorry. Like,
I'm going like this, between, and then under, okay?
listen, my knees
Okay, I
are
nothing to do
not
with
good.
knees.
Yes.
well,
yes,
guess what?
it
You're
does.
taking a seat right now.
Okay.
Did you check her other just coat
I
pocket?
didn't check this pocket. No.
Okay.
I didn't check this pocket.
She has like inner
There's
ones, too.
also a pocket. Yeah, there you go.
Do you have any like cocaine on you or anything like
Absolutely fucking not.
Here's this one.
that? Thanks, bro. Just watch your what's up.
Can you guys call my mom?
You'll call her from the jail.
You're gonna go to jail. Alright, sit down. Foot first. Watch your head going in. Swing your knees in.
Swing your knees in.
Scooch back and swing your knees in.
I've
Scooch
seen
back
bigger
with your
men than
butt.
you in there.
Scooch back with your butt.
I'm trying.
Scooch back. Scooch back.
I'm trying.
Scooch back. Now swing your knee into this.
My shoulder won't do it.
Okay, scooch back.
Sir, my shoulder won't do it.
Okay.
I can't swing back like that. It really hurts. And I'm trying.
All right. Use this foot to post, and then you're gonna scoot your butt back into the seat. All right. Now scoot your butt back. Now you swing this knee in. There you go. Swing this knee in. Okay. You got it. I believe in you. Go ahead.
I can't. My shoulder won't go that
That's not
way.
your shoulder. That's your knee. I
No,
need you to
it's-
scoot back, not lean forward. Okay. I need you to scoot back with your butt.
It really.
Scooch, scooch, scooch.
That really.
Keep scooching.
Back this way.
I'm
You
trying.
can sit diagonally, okay? Hey, you want to unbuckle her then? And then we'll go this way. Switch back.
Keep scooching.
Please
Keep
don't.
scooching.
Please don't put me that way.
I have
Keep scooching.
okay? You have to sit in the car.
You have to sit in the car.
Okay.
I've seen
okay.
bigger people than you in here, okay? Come on. Scooch back with your butt.
I'm trying.
Ma'am.
You guys are making me this seem really bad. And I can't.
Ma'am.
I can help. Okay. Scooch back. You're sitting
Wait,
diagonal in here.
I'm trying.
There you go. Scooch
You
back.
guys are
further.
making me seem like
Swing
an
your leg.
asshole.
Swing your leg in. Nope. Swing your leg in. Swing your leg in.
And then
Oh,
sit
this
up.
hurts.
There you go.
This really hurts.
During the search, deputies discovered 5 16-ounce Mike's Harder cans, 4 empty and 1 partially consumed, alongside an empty Miller Lite.
Were you searching my car? I didn't give you permission to do that.
Another one, dude.
105.
Huh?
I'm just talking to Gwinnett.
Oh, here you go.
Another one?
I would like my phone so I can call my mother.
Where's your phone at?
I'm not sure. You guys threw me in the back of a truck, and I would like to call.
Oh, I don't know your phone.
My
is,
mother.
So I can't help you with that.
I've never been handcuffed in my entire life, and I think this is illegal search and seizure. It is 100% illegal. And I want out of this car right now.
You want out of the car?
Am I being arrested?
Yeah, you are.
Please read me my rights.
You don't need to. We're not asking you any questions.
Yes, I would like to be read my rights if I'm being arrested.
I'm not asking you any questions, though.
Doesn't matter.
When we ask you questions, we'll read you your life.
Does not matter.
Really? Where'd you go to law school?
Where'd you go to law school?
I went to UCF.
I would like my phone, and I would like to call a lawyer.
You can do that when you get to the jail.
No, I would like my phone
Yeah. You don't. That's not.
and
how
a
it
lawyer.
works.
Yeah, this is exactly how it works.
No.
So are you detaining me without my rights?
No, you're under arrest
For what?
for driving under the influence.
I think that's bullshit, and I would like my phone.
You can't have
And-
your phone because you're in the back of a police car.
That,
And we also don't know where it is because it's in your car somewhere.
I mean,
So,
I am being detained unlawfully.
No. No.
Yes, sir. I'm being detained unlawfully.
No. You don't
Yes, I am.
She wants her phone,
Yeah.
her keys,
Yeah.
her wallet, and a lawyer.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to her real quick. How long you been in here?
Find your driver's license.
That's a loaded question. I live in Greenville County.
What's that?
If you have found my, if you have found my wallet,
Found
you
it.
know I live in Greenville County.
Okay, what are you doing in private county?
I'm here with my mother on vacation because both of our parents, like her husband and my boyfriend, have died.
Okay.
It's been a great vacation.
I'm sorry that's happened, but I'm telling you tonight you're getting charged with reckless driving, DUI for driving reckless.
Show me.
Okay. DUI and resisting without violence, okay?
Sure. I really wish you'd just take me home to my mom.
Not gonna happen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like, I can't do that.
We both lost our husbands this year.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Are you? Are you
The way
sorry?
you're driving can make someone
I
else lose
don't-
their husband.
Listen.
Okay?
I wasn't driving. I don't know what you're talking about. I heard you guys giggling outside of the car.
You heard us what?
I heard you guys giggling outside of the
Yeah,
car.
because
It's
we're
really
at
cute.
work. They're my friends. We're out
Yeah,
making
it's really
fun.
cute, right?
I'm allowed to have a conversation with my coworkers.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm allowed to have a conversation with my coworkers.
Giggling about what happened to me tonight is
We're
not
giggling
fucking
about
funny.
what happened to you, ma'am?
I want my lawyer.
I understand.
I want my phone call.
Okay. You're not gonna get it right now, but if you want me to answer,
Why? Why am I not getting my phone call right
I
now?
want me to answer it and tell your mom you went to jail.
All right, cool. Answer it. Mom, I'm in jail. Mom, I'm in jail. You didn't answer it. Lies. Are we on recording?
You've been recording the whole time.
I want my lawyer. I want my phone call. When can I get them?
You'll have to.
What?
Detention.
I'll have to what?
Why?
Those are my rights.
I'm explaining it to you. Why would you interrupt me while I'm explaining it to you?
You guys never read me my rights. My Miranda rights were never read to me.
I don't have to
Ever.
answer your rights.
Yes, you do.
I'm not
Yes, you
asking any
do.
incriminating questions right now. You want me to answer or no? Okay.
I would like to tell my mother.
Would you like me to answer or no?
Does that give you the right to
Would
search
you like
my
me to
phone?
answer or no?
Answer me. Does that give you the right to search my
I don't
phone?
care whether you talk to her or not.
Yes.
Do you want me to answer your
Yes.
phone? Okay. Hello. This is Deputy Wilkes, Clark County Sheriff's Office.
Mom, I'm going to jail. They will not give me my phone call or my rights. They won't give me shit. What am I being charged with? Reread my Miranda rights.
You're cutting in and out.
Okay, give me 1 second. Is this better?
I don't have a car. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
We're not in a bad spot. They haven't charged me with anything.
She's like belligerent right now, okay? I'm trying to help you out as much as you can.
They have not officially charged me with a goddamn thing.
Okay, just tell her to calm down. You've got her mom on the phone.
Yeah, it's not gonna help, ma'am. She's been like this the whole night.
Sure I have. Sure I have, sir. Mom, they won't let me call a lawyer. They will not let me call anybody. They're denying me everything, Mom.
Okay, I gotta get out of the car again.
No. I hope you and your wife never ever make a bad mistake. I hope your wife never loses you in an unexpected death. I hope she doesn't. That's what I'm saying. I hope that never happens. Yeah, that's what me and my mom went through this year. Thank you.
Oh, not necessarily.
Thank you. No, that's what me and my mom went through this year. Thank you.
Pretty bad. Yeah, just mouthy.
We both lost our significant others. Yeah, that sucks. I hope she never loses you.
She's getting a resisting charge, so.
Am I?
Me, but I don't think she's gonna resist you guys.
Am I getting a resisting charge? That's really rude. That's really rude, sir. For saying that I hope your wife never loses you, that's really rude.
You're not getting a charge for saying that. You're getting a charge for resisting.
After refusing field sobriety exercises and physically tensing up during handcuffing, she was secured and transported to the inmate facility. Once at booking, implied consent was read, but she ultimately refused to provide a breath sample. She was charged with driving under the influence, resisting an officer without violence, and willfully refusing to sign a citation. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.